How to add stops during Uber ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add stops to your Uber ride while you are booking Uber. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy. What you want to do is you want to simply open up your Uber app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now Uber is currently unavailable in my area, but I'll show you on how you can add stops. Simply head into the rides option here, you can see, and what you want to do is you want to simply tap on where to. Now once you tap there, you can see you'll be able to select the pickup location and the destination location. On your pickup location, simply type in or select your pickup location here. I'll just select my pickup location right here, and on your destination, simply type in your destination. You can simply set it from your map or you can search from here as well. I'll just select here from the map. Now once you select here, you can see the destination and the pickup point has been selected. What you want to do is you want to tap on the pickup location there. You want to tap on it, and then here at the right hand side you can see the plus icon, and if you tap on plus icon, you'll be able to add a stop. You can see you can add a stop and you can select and place there in between, and I'll just tap on add on stop, and then I'll select location on map, and then I'll just select this particular location. It's not here. However, you can be able to select it from here. So this way you can add stops during Uber ride. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.